Welcome back to Quizzeez. Can you guess all the animals by emoji? Let's get started. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quizzeez channel for more exciting quizzes. Can you guess this animal? Good job! It's the whale shark. Do you know this one? You got it! It's the wolf. What about this bird? Nice! That's an eagle. Can you identify this predator? Correct! It's the black panther. Do you recognize this one? Well done! It's an orangutan. Can you name this insect? Spot on! It's a firefly. Guess this sea creature. Great job! That's a butterfly fish. Can you name this snake? You're right! It's the king cobra. What is this animal called? Yes, it's a rhino. Do you know this cutie? Perfect. It's a hamster. Can you guess this one? Exactly. It's a donkey. Who is this? You're a pro. That's a goat. Identify this animal. You got it. It's a squirrel. Can you guess this? Nice work. It's a chicken. Guess this giant. Correct. It's the blue whale. Do you know this fish? Good job! It's the moonfish. Can you name this bird? Well done! It's a swan. What about this one? Spot on. It's a lobster. Can you guess this friend? Perfect. That's a dolphin. Do you recognize this? Great! It's a sea turtle. Can you name this animal? You're right, it's a zebra. Guess this beast. Exactly, it's a bison. What is this creature? Nice! It's a jellyfish. Can you guess the king? Good job! It's a lion. Who is this beauty? Well done! It's a peacock. Identify this bird. You got it! It's a turtle dove. Can you name this? Perfect. That's a deer. Do you know this one? Nice work. It's an earthworm. Can you guess this bird? Exactly. It's a turkey. What about this dog? Good job! It's a sheepdog. Can you name this? You're right, it's a goldfish. Guess this hopper. Well done, it's a frog. Do you know this racer? Spot on! It's a snail. Can you name this breed? Perfect! It's a bulldog. Identify this insect. Great! It's a ladybug. Can you guess this? You got it! It's a butterfly. Do you know this fish? Exactly, it's a clownfish. What about this one? Nice, it's a polar bear. Can you name this shark? Well done, it's a hammerhead shark. And the final one? Correct, it's a panda. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this animal emoji challenge, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends to see if they can beat your score. Don't forget to subscribe to Quizzeez for more fun quizzes every single week.